Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening this heart poppet. It's orange, teal, and yellow. So let's open it. I'm super excited to open this because, I don't know, I just love the color combination. And, I don't know, I just love the, I guess I could just say I like the color combination, basically. Try popping it. This is so good. I love it. I love the color combination. Like I said, this is 10 out of 10. I love the pops too. I love it so much. I'm gonna try to poke them all out. Okay, you ready guys? 3, 2, 1. I forgot to poke down those two, but that's alright. I'm just gonna slide, stick things some more. But anyways, guys, that's the poppet, and I rate it a 10 out of 10. Bye guys.